everyone. Welcome to our channel Panius Education. As we know, tomorrow we are going to do the Visarjan of Papa. So we thought to surprise him with a special sweet. So we went on YouTube and searched for recipes to make under 20 minutes and found the channel Eataholics and picked out a recipe called Kalakand Recipe. So today we are going to show you the recipe Kalakand and from the channel Eataholics. So here's the recipe.
Hello everyone. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. For this Ganesh Chaturthi, let's make a special sweet. So today we are making Kalakand recipe. It is delicious and easy to make. So let's get started. Freshly made chena or paneer. Out of 2 liters full fat milk. You may use storage brought paneer. Lightly crumble with soft hands. Transfer crumbled paneer in a heavy bottomed pan. Condensed milk or milkmaid 300 grams. Adjust a quantity of condensed milk as per your preferred sweetness. Keep mixing on a low flame. Condensed milk melts. Milk powder 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Keep stirring on low to medium flame. Make sure that mixture doesn't stick to the bottom. Cardamom powder or elaichi powder. Ghee 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Keep stirring and cooking on a low to medium flame. Mixture thickness. Forms lumps. The texture is soft and juicy, moist and grainy. Mixture starts leaving the sides of the pan. Turn off the flame. Do not overcook. If it's too dry, you may add few spoons of milk. Grease any rectangular square tin. Transfer the mixture in a greased tin. Level well and set into a block. Leave some space into a tin. Drizzle ghee. Garnish with finely chopped almonds and pistachios. Press gently. Let it set for an hour. After an hour, smells nice. Cut into pieces. Our festive sweet Kalakand ready to serve. It's juicy, soft, delicious, and awesome. I'm pretty sure that Ganpati Papa would love it very much. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting recipes coming soon. So till then, take care. Bye. Ganpati Bappa Moria.